Hi sir, my name is Durgarao. I am from ECA section. My roll number is 20BQ180431. Today my seminar topic is salient pole type and non-salient pole type. Basically, in an electrical machines, the rotating part is called the rotor. The rotor is used to house the rotor winding and the magnetic poles. The electrical power is supplied to the rotor through slip rings and the brushes. Based on the construction of the rotor of an electrical machine is classified into two types. First one is a salient pole type and second one is a non-salient pole type. In salient pole type, this is also known as a projected pole type. In this salient pole type, the poles are projected to the surface, and this is a low speed and more number of poles is occur. In non-salient pole type, this is also known as a smooth cylindrical pole type. This is a high speed and only two or three poles is occur. Salient pole type rotor. Now learn about the salient pole type rotor. In the salient pole type rotor is low and the medium speed is 125 to 500 rpm is in electrical machines. The poles are made of steel laminations riveted together and are fixed to the rotor by a dovetail joint. In synchronous missions, the damper winding is provided on the slots provided on the pole faces. Damper winding is provided at the slots and the pole faces, also known as a squirrel cage winding. This winding is also known as a squirrel cage winding. The damper bars are short circuited at both ends by copper rings. These damper bars are short circuited by copper rings. These dampers are used in preventing hunting and to provide the starting torque in synchronous motors. These dampers are used to preventing hunting and the starting the torque in synchronous motors. The rotor winding are placed on the poles and pieces supported by pole shoes. The ends of the winding are taken out through the slip rings for a electrical connection. Show this figure. This is the salient pole type rotor. In this is the north pole, south pole, and south pole. Here, this is the rotor winding. Here, this is the rotor winding, and this is the bars of damper winding. This and the supply is through the brushes. This is the brushes. Supply is through the brushes, and the slip rings is here, placed in here. The salient pole type structure has the following special features. They have the large diameter and short axial length. In salient pole type, here this is have large diameter and the axial length is very short. The pole shoes cover about 2 by 3 of the pole pitch. The pole shoes cover the 2 by 3 of the pole pitch, and poles are laminated to reduce the eddy currents. Poles are laminated since the reduce the eddy currents losses. These are employed with hydraulic turbines or diesel engines. Next one is non-salient pole type structures. Non-salient pole type rotor. The construction of a non-salient rotor is also called as a smooth cylindrical type. This is also known as smooth cylindrical type. It is used in very high speed applications like turbo alternators. Usually driven by steam turbines, the rotor consists of a smooth solid forged steel cylindrical having a number of slots on its outer periphery parallel to the shaft. For accommodating rotor winding, the surface of the rotor of this type of is smooth due to the absence of projection of poles. In non-salient pole type, the surface of the rotor is very smooth. Type is smooth due to This type is very smooth due to the absence of projection of poles, thus the maintaining uniform air gap and between the stator and the rotor. In maintaining the uniform air gap, air gap is uniformly maintained between the stator and the rotor. Such rotors are designed mostly for two poles or four pole missions. The unslotted portions from the pole faces is shown the figure. Here, this is the non-salient poles. This is the south pole, north pole, north pole. This is the non-salient pole rotor. Here is the rotor windings. This is the rotor windings, and the slip rings here placed, and this is the brushes, non-salient pole rotor. This is the structure of the non-salient pole rotor. The non-salient pole type structure has the following special features. The features of the non-salient pole rotor is pole type structure is there are small diameter and very long axial length. There are small diameter here small diameter and very long axial length of the to reduce the peripheral velocity. This type of construction offers fewer windage losses. This type of construction offers windage losses. High speeds are obtained between, that is 1500 to 3000 rpm. Speed is between 1500 to 3000 rpm, better in dynamic balancing and quieter in operation. This type of construction is mechanically very strong and compared to the salient pole type. This is compared to the salient pole type. Non-salient pole type is very strong, mechanically very strong.